Keep him out of your hand, babe. Keep him out of your hand. Get the whole duck navy over here.
Wow. That's a big chunk.
Good job.
Yeah.
You know I'm not gonna hurt you, don't you? You know I'm
Yeah,
not
he
gonna
answered
hurt
you, buddy.
Good job.
Look, look.
That was being
Strife.
mean. You're being mean. Stop that. Stop it. I know.
He's like, what are they doing, man?
You're being silly.
He's like, I could overpower all of them.
Good job. This one's really.
He's polite, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's tame.
Yeah.
Very tame. Feed him again, buddy.
Where's the mean one again?
Rewarding. She's over there. She's real close to that one. And Nail. Nail and her got something going on over there, you know.
It's okay. It's okay, Jeff. It's okay. Good job.
Just gentle as you can be, isn't he?
Awesome. You know I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah, you know I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna
trusts
hurt
you though, doesn't
you. Yeah. That's awesome. You're not gonna hurt